Hey guys, just a sneak peek at tomorrow's video. We are going to work on putting the spine on, and look at my beautiful trim that I chose. And so I have just got through putting the Mod Podge on mine and sealing it, but so tomorrow's video, it is uploading now. I will be showing you guys how to actually put the spine on, and let me see if I can flip this over here, and how to put the spine right here in with the ties that will hold our little journals together when we finally do those. So yeah guys, make sure you watch tomorrow's video. It's gonna be wonderful. But look, I'm getting strings everywhere. But yeah, that's where we're at so far guys. Bye.